Dance, drill, basics. Alright, y'all. Obviously, or if you don't know, we are practicing waving today. Specifically, arm waves. Alright? So, let me break this down. This is something that I don't think it's considered beginning, but it's fundamental basics because waving. There's the body wave. There's an arm wave. So, arm wave, obviously, it's an illusion. And like any other illusion, magicians, magic tricks, or whatnot, it takes practice. It takes a lot of filming yourself, critiquing yourself, because in your mind, you're thinking, hey, this is what I think I look like. So, I want to first of all show you what I think most instructors out there teach, which is they break it down every section at a time. Some people break it down to 10 steps, 12 steps, or whatever, but you've probably seen this before, where you go 1, and some people break it down to the fingers, where they go 1 right here versus 1. It doesn't matter. I mean, that's the small part. Whatever instruction you had before, take it, use it. If it helps you, great. If it doesn't, hopefully what I'm going to share with you may help, okay? But for those that haven't seen it before, if you go to YouTube research, you know how to do a hand wave, arm wave, and like things like that. This is probably what you'll see. You'll see a sectioning off where they go 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and some may even add the head. And those are all the little details that, you know, maybe that can help you. And I talked to a lot of students that, you know, they try to do it, but what I see is this. First of all, we say what I say is keep your position. What does that mean? If you're going to start off like this, then the idea, think about a wave. An idea is the wave that, you know, it goes here and it returns back to its normal position. All right? So if you're going to start a wave like this, you should end like this. And what I see most students do is this. They start here and they go here and they go like this. So what happened? This is the starting position. It end up here. As an audience member, if I'm watching you, it doesn't look like a good illusion. A good illusion is if I start here, I should end here. So if I'm starting this wave here, boom, 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 here, now it looks like a wave traveling. Versus if I'm going like this, there's too much movement. I should only see the wave traveling. Here, here, here. You know what I mean? This is a touch wave. I'm kind of covering it. It kind of masks the illusion. Now without it, here, and I go back. Okay? So how to break this down? What I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down with drills that you're going to wave out. To me, when I teach it out, I see that my students make more progress. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to start how to do an arm wave out. Meaning I'm going to originate the wave from the inside, from the body, from the shoulder to the outside. Okay, this is how we're gonna do it. Start with your arms down, nice and relaxed. This is my one. Shoulders up from the side, see? Arm. Or shoulders up. And keep your arms the same angle. So I don't want to come up and move my arm here. Arm angle still here. One, okay? Now just drop it. Good. Now I go one. Right when I drop it on the two, my elbow is going to come out, okay? The whole time my wrist doesn't move. My wrist, the angle of my wrist is still down, okay? I got one, this is two. Make sense? So I don't want to go one and then two. See how it drops right here? One, everything comes up. Two right here. Focusing on the hand right here. This is, look, watch the hand. I go one, two. The hand doesn't move, right? The hand doesn't move. So it's not like this. And right when I do this, I don't want to move this. This has got to stay. One, two. On the three, boom. Here's my three. Here's two. Here's three. Okay? One, two, three. And then on the four, I'm just going to take this out. Now, if you want to be more specific, you could go one, two, three. You could go four here and then five here. That's the little things that you could add it in if you want to, but the general idea is this. I go one, two, three, four. Okay? So I start here, one, two, three, four. This is going out now. This is different from what I said before. Don't confuse it. Don't be like, hey, Ceech, you said you gotta start the same position and the same position. Yes, but this is a drill that's different. Does it make sense? Trust me on this. Just do this drill for now. All right? So we have one, two, three, four. So the idea is now I'm traveling from this position to this position. Okay? I'm just getting your body used to doing the arms wave out. Okay? One more time. Let's go slow. One, two, three, four. One more time. Return back here. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got that? Now the drill is this. You keep here and you start going up. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm slowly going out. Okay? As you find yourself going out, it's gonna be just a little bit harder because you gotta try to maintain that line, maintain that straight line, and maintain your control as well. So give that a try, guys. With me, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Okay. Practice that on your own. Now, if you want to try to go a little bit faster. Now, here's the deal. Here's the deal. Once you get familiar with that, start here. You want to start in the same position here. 1. This is going to be a little bit harder. See how I want to go in 1 right here? 1, 2 is here. It's the same idea. Everything's the same idea. The idea, you got to understand the idea, right? The idea is this. I have shoulder, then elbow moves. The elbow is getting out of this line. Here's the line. Shoulder out of the line. Elbows out of the line. See right here, this is still the same line. 3 right here. This is still the same line here. Only the wrist is out and then rest is straight. Does that make sense? So it doesn't matter whatever my angle is. It's got to stay in the same line, but one joint is out of the place. One joint, shoulder, elbow, wrist, and then rest. Here. That. Does that make sense? Okay? So the reason why I want to go out, to me, is because when I teach this, I see faster results. People are able to see that, oh, I could go out. Okay? So today's drill is about drilling out. It's not about trying to get the entire wave, not the in and out. In and out, those are two separate. Right now, let's just get the out. We'll do the wave. We'll come in later. Okay? To me, coming in is a little bit harder. So practice out. Now, both hands get hurt or get sore. I do the right hand, now the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can make it small. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Boom, here, 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 here. You could go small. You could almost keep it the same. You see? Keep the body, keep it here. Keep it here. Keep it here. And then move it out. Move it out. Move it out. Make sense? Try to get that, guys. Do it without music, do it with music, doesn't matter. Let's try it with music, guys. Do it with me. Hope you guys hang in there. Now, if you feel like your shoulder's getting a little bit sore from hanging up there, it's all good. You're not gonna tear anything. Massage it, rest it, and get back. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sense? Now we're gonna speed up the tempo just a little bit. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da, 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 da. Now, instead of counting, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever the beat is. So do it with music, do it without music. Okay? So let's try with music, and I'm just gonna go practice. Hope you guys like that drill. You could create your own drill, okay? You could go to the front instead of going out to the side. It's a lot easier for me to show to the side, but I could do this front too, okay? Let's rewind it real quick. So instead of coming out here, I'm gonna come to the front. Okay, one more time. Beats ready. Mix up the tempo, play with it, guys. Woo! Let me stop this second. Stop. There you go. All right, guys. Hope you guys learned something. This is one of those, drills that I don't consider it easy. It's not easy. It's more, to me, it's an illusion. Waving is such a great illusion to add to your dance, okay? But it is something that you have to practice over and over again. Just like a magician, like, you know, if you want to do a magic trick, you know, whatever it is with your hand, sleight of hand, it's kind of like a sleight of hand. It's an illusion, but it's great, but you gotta practice it. You can't just fake it. Don't just say, okay, I know, okay, I can kind of get it, and then go out there and try to do battles with it, because somebody who's practiced a lot more than you, obviously is gonna make it look a lot better, okay? So hopefully you guys have fun with it. We're gonna come back, we're gonna do the second part, the other part, which is waving in another section. But right now, let's do one thing at a time, guys. Let's do the arm wave out and make it look good. All right, the key to this, obviously, is hitting that like button, but also practice, all right? Practice a lot. If this helps you, definitely support the channel. If you want to support the channel by hitting the like button, subscribe for my next video. And I will see you on the next one, guys. Peace, keep practicing. For those that are in the Bay Area, actually tomorrow, my boy Shy Guy and Mikey Disco, we're gonna throw an event in San Jose. If you're in the San Jose area, come support Smashed Potatoes. I'll be there to meet everybody and all the great dancers, all the great people that just want to get down. All right, guys, I'll see you later.